Okay, everybody, all you need for this project is a flathead screwdriver. Take a look at how gross and nasty this Ninja blender bottle got. I don't know why they designed it like this, but here we go. First of all, you see those two screwdrivers at the bottom. You don't need a flathead, but flathead worked for both removing the screwdrivers and for wedging it open. Okay, you're going to stick it in the bottom on the edge. I found it's much easier to wedge it open from the bottom than from the top. And you're going to work your way down the side, wedging it open little by little. It really doesn't take very long when you go this way. I tried the other way and it was almost impossible to get off. All right, then you're going to flip it over. Sorry, you can't see it super well from my hand, but you can wedge it from that end. It pops right off, as you can see. And get in there with a scrub brush, get it all clean. And the inside has a spring, and you can push in the bottom with that same screwdriver to get it to come out very easily. And I scrub brushed this as well. All right. Be careful not to lose this spring. It fell a couple of times for me. I was nervous I was going to lose it. It goes back very easily in the top. Just make sure you put it in the right direction and it'll pop in the bottom. And all you have to do is bring back your little bottle, your blender, stick it on the end and press down all the way. You'll hear a satisfying pop all the way down. And on the top, I kind of had to wedge it over the lip of it a little bit too. And there you have it. After you screw them in, the screws back in, take a quick look and you'll see how clean it is.